In this video, I'm going to show you how to use promo code in 1xBet Philippines. It will be simple to do. You will come and click first on registration. Then by here, you will come and click on the option by email. From here now, you will enter all your information and you will come right up to the code of country where you will enter the country Philippines for this and you will validate. Now, when validating it, you will enter your phone number there and then you can see the currency which has changed. You will now continue by going down and click to the promo code where you will enter BOTV, where it will help to get you 300% of bonus at your first deposit. Meaning by putting an amount of $10, you will obtain $30. And confirming all, you will click on register now. Now, as you have set your account to be in Philippines, now normally what will you do? You will choose a bet. For example, if I should take this bet here of Champions League and I should click on it. Now selecting the one that you want to choose. If I should take win one, by clicking on it now, I will just have to put my promo code here, BOTV, which I have put when I was registering, and then I will put the amount of money, be it more or less. Then I will just click on bet and it will be effective.